Safety first. I always slide my tire under the car just in case the jack drops if I don't have the jack stand out. Shouldn't take but a minute to do, so this is actually really quick. So there's a little box in here. Let's see if we can see it. This little dirty ass box right here. You need to clean that off, open it up. There'll be a plug in there that looks like that. You unplug that, run the wire down, which is just laying here because it falls off because it's a piece of crap from Rock Auto. So I gotta cut that zip tie because the little clip's missing, and then you feed it around and it all unplugs and you just pull it out. So super quick. I'm trying to get this done real fast so we can show you how it goes, and then it mounts right into the brake. So just a couple clips underneath, flip that up, and it's the white one here. So we'll pull that out. Just has a little clip in it, so you squeeze that clip and pull it apart. And it's in there pretty good, so I'm gonna have to set this down. There we go. Alright, so we just feed that through. Pops off of here. Everything's kind of stuck. And there's a little clip down here that you have to pull apart. Pops out of that. Feed it down through. And I have it zip tied, so I'm gonna go get some snips real quick. There, and then I zip tied it in the back as well. There. Pulled one out. And the new one's going in. It only goes in one way, if you can see the prongs there. Just like that. That plugs back in. Get back far enough. What am I doing here? There. Then we just close the door back up. This, get my arm out of the way. Let's see what I'm doing there. This clips up into here. Like so. And there's a little clip right there. There's a little clip down here that it clips in. So we have to feed that through. up over the axle. And then on the end of the brake, there's this little groove. I don't know how well we can see it here. That little groove there. This just clicks in to that. Just like that. And that's it. You just put your tire back on and you're good to go. Your brakes are set back up and your brake light should reset. So if not, you can go into your settings on your car and reset it. But other than that, that's pretty much it. So